All right, I have a tree in the way. All right, Mr. Tree, hold on. Hi everyone, welcome back to Beth's Best Hair. I hope you're all doing well today. And I was feeling kind of tropical today. So this is Long and Layered from Synergy. And if you did not see this review video, I'll put it up here for you so that you can check it out. And I just added a little bit of a braid to her and did a little side swept and added a little headband. I'm going to show you how I did that right here. And just brought it around and put a little clip right there. Just feeling the summery tropical vibe. So to go with that, I bought a new style from Paula Young, and it is the low braided pony, as you can see there. And the color was golden bronze. That's 3/130/88 S8. So that is actually a balayage color where it is sort of the hand painted highlights on there. So I thought it would be fun to try this a little different color. And she is also braided, so I'm going to show you her out of the box. If I can get her up here so you can see. So she has the kind of wavy pony. The braid comes around. She is a very impressive cap. I want to show you guys. They really put a lot into this one. So she is a full lace hand-tied monofilament here. So that allows you this space here for parting, which is really nice. And then these are like the moleskin covered, super soft ear tabs. The open wefts to keep you cool, and the soft extended nape with those Velcro closures. So she is really pretty here with the hand tied. So I did not buy her for the ponytail. What I bought her for is in the catalog or online, she was beautiful when they took that out. So I'm gonna show you her with the braid, and I hope not to upset anybody, but I'm gonna take that out and I'm gonna see what she looks like down without that braid and without that pony. I know that I can recreate that. So that doesn't worry me about taking that out. If you were afraid of being able to recreate it, well then of course I wouldn't, but we're gonna give it a shot. So I'm gonna show you her with the braid. All right, so here she is out of the box. I didn't do anything but just put her on. I'm going to put the stock photo here with the braid. I'll also include all of her specs in the next slide. All right, so first off, you guys, this cap is super comfortable. It is really comfortable, and these soft ear tabs, they feel very nice. So this is giving me sort of the Renaissance Festival vibe, but I want you to see the lace front. And that goes pretty much from temple to temple. And it just kind of melts in. Now, if I was gonna wear this out, I use perfect edges, and I just kind of smooth my hair back and leave a little bit of this just where I'm going to put the lace down, and then I just press it. It is not a glue, but it's sticky, and it's enough to keep it on for me. Because I wear a velvet wig grip underneath, so that holds everything. So I'm gonna do a spin around so that we can see her braid. So I'm gonna take out this braid right now, and then it might have a little funkiness to it, but we'll see how it looks. I'll come back with the braid out and the pony. This is also heat friendly. So I wanted to let you know that, so you can use heat tools on her. So if you wanted to add a little bit more curl, there is some nice, beautiful, beachy waves there. Go ahead and let's look at her from all sides. So wow, she is really long and beautiful. This hair feels really nice. It's surprisingly lightweight for as long as she is. I'm just gonna bring all the hair forward so you can see. Let's go ahead and work with her so that I can get her into a style that I would feel comfortable wearing. So I'm just going to give her a little spritz with water and get in there and start to move the part over the way that I want it. She doesn't have any permatease because she has that hand-tied cap. Just kind of combing it into the style that I want. She's a VersaFiber heat friendly, so doesn't require a lot of product. I am using a little bit of spray wax just to try and get it up and over the way I like it, and a little bit of dry shampoo to give the hair just a little bit of texture so that I can work with it for the style. And adding just a little bit of hairspray to hold that style. She is going to just be luscious and beautiful. All right, so what do you guys think? She is really beautiful. If you just want to play dress up and have some long, luscious locks, she is gorgeous. Wow, really beautiful. So with that monofilament, that looks pretty darn natural there. So I can do parting to about here. So you can change it. I'm a left parter, so you can definitely change it. You can see again. So with that lace front, and it goes all the way to here, that you have a lot of styling options. And I used a little bit of dry shampoo just because I was trying to add a little bit of texture so that I could get her to stay. I did use a little bit of that spray wax just to kind of lift this part up and over. I like it, and it's not going to be a style that I'm gonna wear every day, obviously, because of her length. But I think for going out for date night with my husband, he loves the long hair. He's really embraced the wig wearing, which has been wonderful. At first, he was a little hesitant, and now he says, "Your hair looks better than everybody else's. I love it." So that makes me feel good. After 28 years of marriage, maybe this was the spice that he needed. I don't know. So she's beautiful. So I was thinking too, she gives me that flower child vibe. So let's try a couple styles. I'm gonna do her in a full half up waterfall style. So pull all the hair halfway up, then twist. Now put your clip at the back and then let the hair fall over top of that clip. Now just take your rat tail comb and pull a few wispies out at the front so everything looks natural. Oh my gosh, look how pretty that is. Love it. All right, I'm going to twist on the sides and kind of add a little bit of hair as I go along. And then I'm just using a small claw clip at the back for those 2 twists. And let's just take a look around all sides. Doesn't that look cute? All right, and now I'm going to work on a semi-formal style. I've twisted around the back so that it's all side swept on one side. And now I'm just taking the hair and adding additional twists and kind of overlapping in the back, and I'm just using claw clips. I'm doing this rather quickly here, but if you were going to do a formal style, you could also do bobby pins. Add a flower for pizzazz. And you have another cute style if you're going to a summer wedding. And that was so easy, and look how natural and cute that looks. And my flower vibe.
Flower girl. Oh, I don't know just why she merely caught my eye.
Oh my gosh, this is so funny. My daughter and I love to go to those 60s concerts, so hello, I am like all about that. So isn't she just beautiful? What a fun style. So many things that you can do with her. The hair is literally just luscious. If you just want to play with hair, if you just want a wig to play with, I would suggest get this low braided pony and take that braid out and just have fun playing with this girl. And I do think that she's very on point, on trend. My daughter that's 22 loves this because there's no permatease. There's just a teensy tiny bit right there, just at the crown. But otherwise, no. You know, with these hand-tied caps, you don't have that permatease. So I just think it looks super natural. And I think I'm gonna just step outside and show you guys a look at this color, golden bronze, outside. Look at this beauty. Oh my gosh. And she's gorgeous with her lace front and those soft ear tabs and low density, no permatease. She is beautiful, very natural. Let's just look at this color. Like I said, if you just want to get a long one to play with, get her, Paula Young. This is totally gorgeous with the balayage color in the golden bronze. I love the feel of this. It's just luxurious. It's beautiful. It's youthful. And I think this is going to be so much fun. Just to go out and just sort of feel like you're 20 years younger. I like it. I'll go for it. All right, thanks again, you guys, for watching. I really appreciate it. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this look at the low braided pony from Paula Young. And I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.